Are you ready to see the coolest experiments Lavina has done? Let's go! The first one is going to be an overclocking module with 50,000 matches and 2,000 sparklers. They are firstly going to assemble it, and we'll sit back and enjoy the chain reaction of matches and sparklers. Let's see this first one, shall we? Why are these so satisfying to watch? We are more than ready for another one. The second one is going to feature 60,000 matches and 3,000 sparklers. Watching the experiments being made is absolutely amazing. This video was made by professionals only. Please do not try it at home. And we saved the best for last. This is a volcano eruption. It is made from 40,000 matches, whose heads are turned inside the volcano. The amazing fire domino you're going to love. The creators at Lavina definitely know how to please the crowd. Good job, guys!